Hello dear traders, my name is Oleg Prishepa. Welcome to Trading Hero YouTube channel. Let's start our weekly review. So the overall performance is following. We have earned 139%. Since the beginning of trading on this account, we started from $5,000 and our net profit is $6,864. You can also see the performance chart right here. If we speak about the performance of this week, we have earned plus 1.28%. For this month, I mean for October, for one day, we actually earned like 0.1%, and the total yearly performance is of 57.6%. Let's take a look at the monthly performance, and we can see that we closed September with profit. If you remember, we started this month with a small loss because of unsuccessful closing of the chain of deals on Australian to Canadian dollar, which was caused by a higher spread, but we actually covered this unexpected loss with the profits and still gained 2.2% of profit for September. Of course, it was not like 5 or 4%, but still we are in profit. And if we'll take a look at the historical statistic, we can see that we still have very good volatility for October and November and also December. So we are looking forward to make good profits in this month. Let's go to MT4 to check the deals on the charts. We are on GBP USD. Now is the first currency pair that we'll analyze, and I highlighted the last week with the gray rectangle. So you can see that actually we were following the downtrend, and we had like two very big impulses. We had one impulse, then we had some phase of consolidation, and then another impulse, and we made very good profit buying against this impulse, and now we are on a selling position. We open it after retesting the previous local highs, and now we're waiting for the market A to continue falling, and then we'll be closing the deal near the support line, or if it will be growing till the resistance line, will be averaging the deal depending on the size of the impulse. The next currency pair is New Zealand to Canadian dollar. In this currency pair, we have like the similar situation. We had like several impulses. They were not so strong as on GBP USD, but still we gained several new positions. We currently now have 6 buying positions, and waiting for the market to bounce back, because actually we are very close to the global support levels, and even if market will be falling and retesting these levels, we still have the capacity to stand against this impulse, and we'll wait till the market bounce back. So the next currency pair is Australian to United States dollar, and we can see that on this pair we actually have broken the consolidation of the last week, and we can say that the downtrend continues. Like right now it's clearly visible, but we were actually buying and selling. We were trading in two directions simultaneously. First of all, we were selling when the market was growing to the previous historical highs, then we were buying. Then after the closest support level, the lowest level of the previous consolidation was broken, we continued to buy, and we also made some profit here. Then we're selling, and now we have two selling positions and waiting for the market A to continue falling, and then we'll close our deals with profit, or if it will grow, we'll be selling once again near the closest resistance level. The next currency pair is Australian to New Zealand dollar. It's I can say like the top performer of all of our currency pairs. It has a very good uptrend, and actually we have passed more than 1,600 pips with no sufficient correction. So now, as you can see, we have the obviously that we have a resistance level here, because we were retesting it for several times, but the market was not growing. So now we're waiting for the market to bounce down, and we'll be closing our positions with profit near the fifth order that we opened on Wednesday. And the last currency pair is Australian to Canadian dollar. You can see that the situation is totally different. Like we have a downtrend instead of an uptrend on Australian to New Zealand dollar, and this situation is very similar, like to me, to the one we have on Australian to United States dollar. So in this case, Australian to New Zealand dollar does not correlate with other currencies with Australian dollar. So it's good because it gives us an additional diversification. So for now we have like 3 positions, nothing new since the beginning of this week. We were not opening new positions because the fluctuation of the market was not sufficient to open a new position on the buying direction. But if we'll retest this support level, actually it's very close to like the global support levels. We'll be opening a new position on buying. But if we'll start growing from this point, we'll close all of our trades between the first and the second order with a good profit. So I hope that all of you who subscribed, you have gained a good profit for the last months, and I wish you good luck in October. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me on Telegram or below this video. Wish you all the best. See you next week.